Deuria, what do you think of that verse? Ati Ngai nieguragiria.
Ngai nieguragiria.
Andu aria ona matira mwetha.
You know, a good example ni mundu gwitwo Paul. Paulo etagwo Saulu. Na we mwene atuire ari munyariri wa kanitha wa Ngai. But when the message of good hope, when the message of righteousness, when the message of mercy and justice befell on him, agetiga gwetwo Saulu, agetwo Paulo.
Na Paulo ri, Paulo horo wake ni ndiretwo uhutie na
njira nene. Nitule uhutio horo wa Paulo.
Tondu Paulo ni gutwika ni athukirio horo. Na ni gutwika kirikaniro, ti gutwikaga ni kwandikitwo kirikaniro ndikane Jeremia wonete ati ni gugoka andiki
getagwo
kiandiki kia marua
kia maheni
kire gikahitithio horo na ati gwatwirio wega ni kuroreka mundu ucio ti ungi ni Paulo tondu ni kiandiki na Paulo ni kiandiki kioma
ni andikire. We cannot sit down and fight Paul and pretend that we are fighting for God where we are ignoring the factor.
Karibu muno Dugata Ezra Murawi.
Thank you.
It's been a minute to tiregaine.
It's been a while.
Hey, not more than a while. Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Ngona ke more than yakirio mwega.
I'm so glad to have you back.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Asante.
Na no gitwire ukoretwo atia.
I have been around. Ngoretwo ndio bururi-ini na ngacokeria mwene hinya ngatho muno. Tunajikite wega. Mbere nene muno, thank you muno. Ni kunyita ugeni podcast ino yaku.
Yes.
Na ngacokeria Ngai witu ngatho muno. Kuri uri ratwira rita ria mbere njitagwo Ezra Murawi na Jesu ni mwathani na ndungataga kuria Githuraigia 45 kanitha witagwo wa Bero ya 7th day na kuringana na request ya mundu gwitwo Njogo tuoka umuthi twarie uhoro wa
me na nini damu ambush by the way Ezra ni aigira damu irasha no we watho wa nyumba eno ndungigira wage kuheo njungwa
watho wa nyumba eno ni uingire
wonetio njungwa riri so I just did that. It was an ambush na ke etekira wito so I appreciate you for that, even for showing up even abrupt. It was a good surprise.
Niguo
karibu sana.
Asante.
Thank you, welcome.
So we ukoretwo atia mundu wa Ngai?
Ni ona ni ngoretwo ndithayo muno.
Okay
Digi complain.
Okay.
Na ngoretwo ngiona maundu maregari ura ona nie na ngakorwo na I've been having good moments. Ngoretwo ngithoma kiugo oroka hora
ota mundu
ngeria kwenjera na but speaking of guthoma kiugo ru juice dress mania na verse a very verse ratumire we desuranio maundu meri matatu.
Okay.
Verse ho yugaga nejo ni ukumenya hariri yugaga ati Ngai ni eguragiria ginya ona andu aria mataramwetha mataramwetha matamu ona matimwiro boyagia kumwetha ati ni acoka kumeguriria ndarigo ai guriria andu aria mataramwetha niki Deuria, what do you think of that verse? Ati Ngai ni eguragiria andu aria ona matiramwetha.
You know, okoro muthikiriria eteire twambiririe kwaria mwira ni twambiririe
twanjirie horo
mwira guku tutira gwate muthikiriria mwihariria ni hindi kiugo gikurekererio mena ni twambiririe already
roho itu ndaikaraga gaikuruka
mwira guku gwitu ni twambiririe already
ni twanjio horo.
Na that is a very good question.
Yes.
Ate I think is in Isaiah 57 something. Isaiah kindu 57 yauko ndirahitia muno ate mwathani ikaraga bararirie moko andu aria matakoragwo na shughuli na uhoro wake and the
question makamumenya.
This should tell you something very simple. Ate our God is a very compassionate God. Ngai ni very compassionate na ona kiure kiundu fati gukorwo kiuria niki kiratumeguriria andu aya matamucaragia tondu nowe wa mombire
ni andu ake
nowe wa mombire nitakuria muthuri mwene muci atiriri niki kiagituma ukiure mieri 6 ugicokia ningi ukiwacokio guku
ugitumirire rimwe
uramuria tana ni gwake
ni ria tangiuka
utie ndi muthuri atangiuka but mandiko mau marenda gukuonia atiriri nginya andu aria monaga ta maraihiririe Ngai muno ri our God is very compassionate na Ngai ni akoragwo endete andu othe. Ugithoma mandiko methirwo ibuku ya Isaia 56 turauga atiriri moko make ti moju ati no maremwo ni gutuhonokia ona matu make matire njika ati no maremwo ni gutuigwa kana maitho make makagia njereri ati no mage gugituona. Uguo ni kuga atiriri mundu wothe umbitwo ni Ngai haria hothe ari uria wothe areka Ngai we mwene ni akoragwo akimuona. Ngai we mwene ni amucuthagiriria Ngai we mwene akoragwo ari around tondu we thiini wa thira yumbitwo ni Ngai tondu nawe wombirwo ni Ngai. Now the difference yukagira riri hari mundu kwiga thiini wa category tondu ni kuri andu meigaga thiini wa category ndirikana ituraini wanona andu meitaga gangster
gun
mundu uyu aciaritwo tawe mundu uyu areretwo ro tawe mundu uyu aikaraga ro tawe no meciria make thiini kishaitani kana kiroho thiini wake kamwira atiriri wewe special kuri andu ari angi na we riu ubati gutwika daimono ya itura riu ni andu meigaga category makehe category yao wene magaikara in a confinement makeira this environment is ours ntonyitanira nikira igwa mandiko makiuga atiriri even in that containment even in that environment God is still God. Nikio kagaga kwiguuriria tondu we mwene ukira na meciria maku I am not worthy before God na Ngai akoragwo akiuga atiri ya you are not worthy okay ona but to me you are something big, you are something massive. A good example ni mundu gwitwo Paul wetagwo Saul na we mwene atuire ari munyariri wa kanitha wa Ngai but when the message of good hope, when the message of righteousness, when the message of mercy and justice befell on him, agetiga gwetwo Saul agetwo Paulo tondu we maitho-ine ma andu ari gangster. He was a gangster. Nie ndi muragani ngumuraga inyuothe no Ngai amucuthira rauga atia you will be my vessel.
Ari malebo, he was a malebo.
We mwende ari marebo kiroho kioru muno no Ngai amucuthira iguru kauga atiriri ngukuhuthira we
na Paulo ri Paulo horo wake ni ndirire tuhutie na
njira nene
tondu Paulo ni gutwika ni athukirio horo na ni gutwika kirikaniro ti gutwikaga ni kwandikitwo kirikaniro ndikane Jeremia wonete ati ni gugoka andiki
getagwo
kiandiki kia marua
kiandiki kia
maheni kire gikahitithio horo na ati gwatwirio wega ni kuroreka mundu ucio ti ungi ni Paulo tondu ni kiandiki na Paulo ni kiandiki kioma
ni andikire but I think
but I feel sometimes they feel like katu metura misunderstand Paul kundu kungi.
It depends.
Kwena ndugure tungithikiriria angi marafundithia watho no kaigwa aingi muno me against Paul makiuga Paulo ni okire no horo wa kuhitithia uria urahura horo uria wama but still bado nani he mandiko mange ma Paulo thomaga ngona still Paul has a point on some point na kuria we aragita Paulo ni ugaga nie na oni wakwa ta Paulo ri haha ndirona atia so Paulo nturi muno but no raheana ngerekano nje kuga niaga ugwa garurirwo
you know thiini wa kirathi ri ni kuri arutwo maita meri ni kuri murutwo unyitaga uria mwarimu arauga na ni kuri murutwo unyitaga uria we mwene arenda kunyita na mundu guthuire ndangikwagira ha gukurutia
nima.
Paul was a philosopher. We mwene ari mundu muthomu. He was a very intellect person. Mundu wathomete muno. So kugeria ko grasp ciugo ire ciaragio ni mundu uyu wa Ngai. Just like that, okay, to just like that. It becomes very difficult. No, riria tuthomaga theology ni twiragwo atiriri. For you to understand how the letters in a particular country was written, for example, the letter to the Corinthians and the letter to the Ephesians, no ginya first of all ogethie back to date woni andu acio maikaraga atia nigetha hote kurelate no uria Paulo aramandikira because the reason why marwa ma Paulo makoragwo makihurwo muno it is because marwa mau ma Paulo makoragwo me answers. They are not questions and we do not have the questions, they are just answers.
It's more answers. They are not
more. Everything is answers. Yani ni mwanyandekeire marwa mukinjuria riu ni nani ndamwira ona ni mwanyandekeire marwa mukinjuria na ni ngwenda muikare ona. They are answers. They are not questions. So tugeria kurutania uhoro fulani based on a particular answer no nginya tungiamba guthie to the initial, to the author, tumurie we mwene acokirio ni unduke andu aya maikaraga ta nigetha amaririo nigetha tuhote ku understand message yake yari iriko. But we cannot sit down, take the answer without understanding the concept na tuge Paulo ni muruka na Paulo ni kitharia ka Paulo ni kimaramari. So most of these people manyitaga the answers of Paul makamuona hana mpiga Kristo, makamuona hana kiandiki kia maheni. No aige matigutwaraga back into history makuonia what prompted Paul to say this nikigatumire guo. Tadu for example Kego a very very important verse they ifuku ria Korintho wa mbere 11. Nendo understand
tumuguri kana ni kumiuga
tutie kuguria to ni yoikaine maita maingi andu mauga Paulo augire atiriri mundu kuheana uhoro ri ndabati kuheana ena kindu mutwe You get that?
Ena
kindu mutwe. You get that?
Ta kindu takiwe nakio.
Leu giki ti kindu giki ni kiremba.
Okay.
I want you to understand the context ya mundu gwitwo Paulo. Arauga ndubati kuheana horo wina ki?
Wina kindu mutwe.
Wina kindu mutwe. Agacoka akauga atiriri mutumia wothe ukoragwo na mutwe wake ahumburitie ri aconorithagia murume na kioria wothe uconorithagia murume ri ucio ni mundu wageire murume gitio. Are you getting that? That was an answer to a question that was asked to Paul. Now go back to the history na ugerie ku understand niki gatumire Paul waheane horo wa kindu ki mutwe. Are you getting me? Andu magwetwa Corinthians ri Corinth, the city of Corinth yari a business hub yari itora ria biashara, and almost every language group yari kundu gugwetwo Corinthians. Nitwanyitanira nginya hau. Now what happened? Andu ara mena Nairobi ni ukumenya kwina muikamba kwina mumiru kwina all that. Andu acio mahuthagira ruga imwe igwetwo Greek, tondu majority of them were Greeks. Now according to the Greek culture, mutumia mo maraya ne kwenja enjaga njuiri.
According to the culture of the
according to the Greeks, ne gwenda weke research yako. According to the Greeks, mutumia mo maraya ne kwenja enjaga njuiri yake, kana mutumia unyararite murume ne kwenja enjaga njuiri yake, akenjwo agakorwo ari kiongo kana akahumburia njuiri yake agaikara uguo. That was the distinguishing factor ya kumenyithia mutumia wina muthuri na mutumia wi thoko. Nwanyita nginya hau. So mundu ni agoka umuthi akwire ruta kiremba tondu mandiko marauga ndukanarathe kana uheane horo wina kindu mutwe. No Paulo ndaragio horo wa aria mena iremba, aragio horo wa mundu wina kindu. Now according to the Greek, mundu wothe wekirite mutumia wothe wohete gitambaya kana akahumbira mutwe wake, it was a sign of respect. Now being a sign of respect irakuonia atiriri Paulo akiareria andu magwetwo the Corinthians ri ara distinguish gatagate ka mutumia mu maraya na mutumia utari mu maraya. So when we come today in our culture, as I always say, Paulo ri ndari muheani wa kirira gia culture wa kirira kia nduriri uria nduriri ifati guikara. He was not a custodian of the different cultures in the world. We mwene kirira kiria Paulo aheanaga kirira kia uthamaki wa iguru. So tutingenyita Paulo thiini wa kirira kia iguru tumwire ihene wa hetia ne kuheana kirira kia iguru tondu ithuĩ twina kirira gitu ithuĩ
tondu ithuĩ twina
kirira gitu. No Paulo ndatumirwo ke kuria gikuyu mahe kirira kia gikuyu tondu Paulo ni rauga nie ndari muhimbirania. Koguo Paulo aragia kuringana na kirira kiao kia himbirania. But we have to distinguish between kiugo kia Ngai na kirira kia andu. Kira gitumaga turwe na Paulo maita maingi nie ndiruaga nake personally ni kumuthikagiriria tondu ni kuri maundu maingi akoragwo namo mega. It is because tubesaga Paulo kuringana na culture citu na uria turenda gwiciria na kuringana na culture cia andu aria Paulo we mwene ahunjagiria. Now that is where the difference comes. Tokabes andora mari na culture ciao. You know the Bible in the Old Testament, it is about the culture of the Israelites. Hatie kindu kingi, it's about the culture of the Israelites. And that is why it is very easy for us to relate with that culture. But when we come to the Ephesians, to the Philippians, to the Corinthians, to the Thessalonians, these people had different cultures. And the letters that we have of Paul, according to those people, it is according to how they used to live. So for us to understand why Paul ariria maundu maya, we first of all have to learn the culture of those people. Nigetha twarikia guthoma the culture of those people, tuhote ku identify ni ata Paul arageria kuga uhoro koni andu aya. Riria aramera tigai guthie muthenya wa thabato ri, we first of all has to understand niki kiratuma amere yo andu aya ni moyi thabato kana matioi. Kira kiratuma amere mahumbire mitwe ri, what was the reason behind, what was the culture behind headband? We cannot sit down and fight Paul and pretend that we are fighting for God while we are ignoring the factor of tradition of particular people. Na gweciria Ngai atuhe mahinda mega nitukaria because we have to go back to the culture of those people and understand how they used it to live. Todo theology jiraga ni de murutwo wa theology jiraga atiriri, you first of all have to go back in time, understand the context back in time, and then uhoteru kuhujiria andu aya mari this time. So without going back in time into the culture of those people, you cannot dogugate Paulo ne muhia, you cannot crucify him.
Otabete kumenya
akiaragia arege shisho ine gia culture ndaragia kiareria andu othe. Actually marwa ma Thessalonike matiandikeirwo andu othe, mandikeirwo andu a Thessalonike. So you have first of all to go to the culture of the Thessalonians. From there uhote kumenya Paulo ugaga atia na Ngai atuhe mahinda
I think ni turi hutia taru he andu ugaga rira itari watho-ini ugaga atia rira itari watho-ini ndari I would leave, I was like
free. Niagikarire o uri endaga
no watho ndamenya watho ruona nĩ gũkua
akoragwo agĩtarĩria rĩrĩ na ngwĩciria it's a very deep topic.
Yeah, very deep.
Akoragwo akĩaria ũhoro wa between grace of God and the law, and not ũrĩa ndakwĩra rĩ Paulo akinya kũrĩ Aroma rĩ amanagĩria according to how they relate with their God. Akabase the relationship between the Romans. Uririkane the Romans were the rulers of the world by then. So how they carry their God, Paul would use that same example to convey the message of God in relation to how they know God. Ũngĩthi kũrĩa Maathai angĩkorwo maragia ũhoro wa Ngai yao gũkorwo nĩ ng'ombe, you first of all have to learn their culture. Aikonu enda kũmaruta ũhoro wa Ngai ũyũ nigetha umateithie kũrelate. You learn their language, you learn their culture nigetha uhote kũrelate. Na nĩkĩo aigua Paul athomete ruga makĩria ma 40. Why? Nigetha ahote kũrelate na andũ acio, ahote kũmarĩria kũringana ũrĩa mahana. So tũngĩremwo nĩ gũteng'era tuikare ta ũrĩa Paul ahanaga rĩ, hĩndĩ ciothe message ciake cioka ngoro-inĩ citũ
tũrigwa kare cia tũhĩnga,
no nginya irĩ tũhĩngaga tondũ ithuĩ tũramwarĩria tũrataũra kũringana na ũrĩa tũhana ũmũthĩ, no ti kũringana na ũrĩa ataria akĩmarĩria hĩndĩ ĩyo. Na agĩkorwo nĩ tũkwenda kũhũra ndũmĩrĩri cia Paulo, no nginya tũngĩkorwo twĩna the questions, tondũ the letters, the epistles are the answers. What were the questions? Nĩguo mũndũ
what were the questions?
What were the questions?
Ito turarora aja tuka dissect aja tutambite kumenya what was the question.
Marua ma Paulo mothe rĩ nĩ aja. Actually 99% they are the answers. What was the question? Kiuria kĩarĩ kĩrĩkũ? Nigetha to understand what was the question, now we can begin from there. Yeah, to understand what was the question, we can begin from there. Nĩguo mũndũ wa Ngai
nĩtũrĩhutia
nĩtũrĩingĩra ũhoro wa ũmũthĩ tũraria ũhoro wa kĩrumi gĩa tĩri
tũtonyie kuo.
Na nĩ wandiviria
na bado Paulo nĩtũrĩũka kũmũrora ndwĩrĩgĩte
tũraria ũhoro wa kĩrumi gĩa tĩri